How you guys doing? Hope all is well. So today I ended up getting stopped out of break even. It's disappointing, I know. And the market kind of just went without me. So let's dive in and let's see what we can improve on for the next time coming around. So first, what I saw was we had this buy side liquidity. Very nice. This is on NQ. And we also had a fairly nice SMT. Second, we had this SMT. And on the 15, we also had this fair value gap. Yes, we did break above it over here, agreed, but we did have a very strong push right back down into it. So in my eyes, it's still validated. There's no problem with it. So once I saw that, as well as ES, we also had this SMT and we had the buy side liquidity with the 5-minute fair value gap that was respected perfectly. We jumped down to the 1 minute. Second, we came to the 1 minute. What do we see? Well, first thing I see, it's very hard to see, but we had a little market structure shift right over here. Manipulation to a market structure shift. And we also had a fat SMT on Azania. So that was very beautiful to see us push to the downside. That was also a very big conviction for me as to we want to see a trend downwards. Having that market structure shift was just like the icing on the cake. So what I did, obviously, I'm not going to take the entry right over here because I want to get the most contracts in with the best risk to reward ratio. So what did I do? I took a standard deviation or Fibonacci from the start right to the end of the manipulation, looked right for this 0.5. 0.5, I entered right over here. Why? Because we also had a fair value gap on the 1 minute. So this was a very nice entry. We have the 0.5 fib market structure shift showing that we're moving from that uptrend to a downtrend. And right at that 0.5 fib with the fair value gap, it was a no-brainer. I took the entry right over here. But I saw we started pushing up higher. I said, not a problem. Nothing wrong with that. Second, I saw this big push down, a strong candle close. Then I was like, okay, we're going down. This is beautiful. So what I do agree that I did mess up on, and I will definitely improve on this for the next time. I saw this fair value gap right here. I really, really wanted to invert it. So the second we came with a strong candle close, I went right to break even. Yes, it's a bit early. I know I could have very much improved on that. I went to break even, but once we had this big bull candle, this stopped me out right here at break even and the trend moved without me. So right here, -1, that would have been my partials. And I would have took full partials right at this low over here. And I mean, what can you do? At the end of the day, at least it's not a loss. It's a learning lesson. And well, next time I'll know. Play it more safe. Maybe leave and continue with the original plan that I had. Putting my stop loss up here. Waiting till we get to this -1 and then coming down, going to break even as I usually do. Here was a very early break even and I shouldn't have done that. But it would have been a very nice move to catch some partials down here, then go to break even, which is what I normally do and which I will do next time. So that's going to be it for the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and also this is going to be going in my Discord for my daily recaps. So if you are interested, link is down below and you can join a community on my Discord channel. A lot of fun. We talk every day. So yeah, have an amazing day.